Beneath this salt crust lies the world's most wanted mineral, lithium.
The lithium concentration in this brine is off the charts. Start the pumps. Let's bring that lithium brine to the surface.
The sun will do the work now, concentrating the lithium over the next year.
Each pond represents a different stage of lithium purity.
Check pond 6. The lithium density is almost ready for the next move.
Remove the magnesium and potash. We only want the lithium.
This is spodumene ore, the hard rock source of lithium.
Precision blasting to break the lithium-bearing spodumene.
The mountain has given up its lithium.
Every bucket is worth thousands. Keep the lithium moving.
Heading to the primary crusher with the first lithium batch of the day. Crushing the rock to unlock the lithium trapped inside.
Turning rock into pebbles. The lithium processing has begun.
Fine as flour. That's how we get lithium out.
The lithium minerals attach to the bubbles and float to the top.
This foam is 6% pure lithium, a huge milestone.
Pressing the moisture out, we need dry lithium spodumene.
Destination, the chemical refinery for final lithium conversion.
The sun has finished its job. Now the chemistry begins for our lithium.
Watch the reaction. The lithium is turning into a solid.
There it is, the white gold of the lithium industry.
Spinning at high speed to isolate the lithium carbonate.
It must be battery grade. Any impurity ruins the lithium.
Flash drying the lithium. Keep the temperature steady.
.5% pure. This is high quality battery grade lithium.
Ensuring the lithium particles are small enough for battery cathodes.
Label them clearly. Battery grade lithium ready for shipment.
Protect it from moisture. Lithium is sensitive.
The world is waiting for this lithium to power its cars. The raw lithium has reached its new home.
The secret recipe for a lithium-ion battery.
Spreading the lithium energy layer across the foil.
Setting the lithium layer perfectly.
Compressing the lithium atoms for maximum energy density.
Precision cutting. This will be the heart of a lithium cell.
The spiral of power, lithium-ion cell in the making. The lithium ions now have a path to move.
hermetically sealed lithium energy.
Waking up the lithium ions. First breath of power. Perfect specs. This lithium cell is a winner.
Building the muscle for an electric vehicle using our lithium. Edit menu.
7,000 cells of lithium power ready to drive.
The brain that keeps the lithium safe and balanced.
The golden bolt is now powered by lithium.
The lithium energy is incredible. 0 to 60 in seconds.
We never throw lithium away. We reclaim it.
The concentrated essence of old lithium batteries.
Chemical leaching to pull the lithium back into liquid form.
The second life of lithium has begun.
The next generation of lithium technology is here.
Studying how to make lithium batteries last forever.
Green energy creating green lithium.
The lithium boom is helping the people of the Andes.
Giving back to the earth after the lithium is gone.
Ensuring our lithium power is safe for every family.
The search for lithium never stops.
Lithium isn't just for cars, it's for the whole world.
Fast charging is only possible because of lithium.
The mineral that changed the 21st century.
The beauty of the lithium revolution.
The sun is our partner in making lithium.
Conductivity is key for lithium power.
Precision sorting for the best lithium packs.
Lithium is taking to the skies.
Lithium saving lives when the grid goes down.
The river of white gold.
Safety first for our global lithium trade.
Extreme precision for nuclear-grade lithium.
The heartbeat of the new energy economy.
Yourself. Your house is now a lithium-powered island.
I'll do it.
Clean water, silent lithium power.
Purity starts on the floor of the lithium plant.
Breaking the limits of what lithium can do.
Heavy machinery for a light metal.
pride in the lithium revolution.
Tracking every gram of lithium from mine to car.
Nature and lithium coexisting.
From this dust, we built this dream.
Our lithium doesn't freeze.
A golden start for a lithium future.
Making lithium the cleanest metal on Earth.
Pure lithium energy captured.
A cleaner commute thanks to lithium.
Data-driven lithium mining.
The geopolitical center of the lithium world.
Lithium hydroxide is the future of long-range EVs.
Every lithium pack is a promise of safety.
Reading the history of lithium in the rocks.
We moved from carbon to lithium. The world changed.
Lithium keeps the heart beating.
Express delivery for the lithium demand. Keeping the lithium stable during a heat wave.
Lithium is everywhere, not just in batteries.
The final frontier for lithium discovery. Rewarding excellence in the white gold industry.
The next generation grows up with lithium.
The slow, golden wait for pure lithium.
Lithium, the fuel of the future, the spirit of the revolution.